Cathedral, Our Lady of Perpetual Health addition and renovation. Baptistry building deconstruction. Rangel Construction.
In December of 2021, Rangel Construction was awarded the addition and renovation project for the Cathedral of Our Lady of Perpetual Help. This is an 18-month project scheduled to be finished in late December of 2023. The work of this project involves the construction of an 11,000 square foot addition, interior renovations, site and parking lot modifications, and demolition of existing structures. One specific task involved the relocation of the existing baptistry wing. After award, Rangel Construction began investigating the materials and components of the round baptistry structure, as well as the original blueprint drawings from 1950. It was concluded that the structure could not be lifted in whole and relocated. The roof of the baptistry is a cast-in-place concrete dome, which is supported by carved stone fins as well as common masonry units. This masonry support system was placed in a circular colonnade, with stained glass windows in between each support. There was also a short connecting hallway between the main church and the baptistry, which was scheduled to be demolished but required consideration since it tied into the baptistry roof. Further, this section of concrete structure had no vertical support columns and had its bearing on the baptistry roof and the existing church wall. The exterior of the baptistry was finished with Minnesota ashlar stone veneer, cast stone sills and jambs, and standing seam copper roof panels. The interior finishes consisted of marble wall panels, travertine and slate floor tiles, and a plaster dome ceiling. Rangel Construction's craftsmen worked to remove each piece of marble, travertine, and slate using log bit drills, reciprocating saws, and hand tools. Subcontractors WD Masonry and Century Glass also assisted in the removal of the stacked stone, stone veneer, and stained glass. Since all of these materials had to be salvaged, they were thoroughly photographed and numbered for reference during reinstallation. The baptistry's concrete roof dome had to be removed and salvaged as well. Rangel Construction worked with Andersen Engineering to calculate the weight of the structure and design a steel frame for crane attachment and lifting. In order to save time and expense, Rangel determined to utilize two large steel beams that were fabricated for use in the new addition. Rangel then had to install a framed shoring system under the connector hallway's concrete roof, while also installing a frame bracing system for the stacked masonry. After the lifting frame was in place and the crane rigging attached, Rangel's craftsmen worked to cut the round concrete roof free. The dome was then set on to leveling cribbing successfully, and the reconstruction of the baptistry is now currently underway. Our thanks go out to Andersen Engineering, WD Masonry, and Century Glass for their thoughtful and careful assistance in this salvage and demolition phase of the project, and our hats go off to the craftsmen of Rangel Construction for their careful planning and hard work.
Master Craftsman from Rangel Construction Company. Superintendent Josh Button. Craftsmen Tyson Andersen, Jeremy Smith, Leslie Thomas, and Wayne Alexander. Help us congratulate the craftsmen from Rangel Construction Company.